tomato garden. It's looking kind of rough right now. Almost everything died. Let's take a look. I have one sunflower. These little purple flowers got taken out. Most of those ones died. I did find these cute little things on the side of the road at work. So cute. There were some other flowers that started to grow, but they died and I pulled them out. I just pruned this tomato plant and it looks insane, but I've gotten a couple of little tiny tomatoes and they're so cute. But I think that's it for the season. What I might do is I might put some potatoes in here and have a little potato cart over the winter time, but we'll see how that works out. It is currently August and my tomatoes are this big. Look at how tiny they are. They're so small. They taste good though. It's August, it's hot, it's like 95 degrees outside. It's nice right now. Sorry that my videos have been so far and few between, working so much and I don't know what to film. As always, please remember to please like and subscribe because it is free for you and helps me out.